Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to learn MSG91 integration with Node.js. The MSG91 is an excellent tool and excellent platform also from where you can send email and SMS, especially in India and outside the world as well. So the first thing is that in MSG91, the email section, there are over 5,000 email per month free, and this is a huge opportunity for small businesses and like small person or for hobby project person or doing small stuff. This can be useful so many ways. So how you are going to use this MSG91? So first you have to register an account on MSG91. Once you register an account, you will be logged into this dashboard where you can have to select the service, email service. But before you send email, there are certain things that need to be done. The first thing is the domain section. You have to register your domain. So you can see it was previously done that my domain is already added over here. There is a dummy domain there that is already there. So if you go into the domain section, you can add your domain. Now in the domain settings, you will find the things that are important. So in the domain settings, there are a lot of details like the domain information, everything, the domain configuration, the API integration, and the SMTP integration. The SMTP integration is the one of the most important things. So you can create the SMTPs as well from this section. So here you can see you have to verify it first. Okay. So as it is a main domain, the MSG91 domain that is already been verified. If you add your domain, you have to point these records generated for your domain to the provider that you have for domain provider. Now once you have done this, you have to make sure you have another thing, that is the auth key. In the auth key section, you have to first verify your phone number. Once you verify your phone number, you will get the opportunity to create the auth key. Once you create the auth key, then it is possible to send the emails. Now there are two ways of sending emails in this section. The first is through the SMTP. As I'm showing you, if you go into this, you can enable the SMTP details. I have already enabled my SMTP details for my domain. That has been enabled. Another way is through the template. So in the template, using the auth key, you can send the emails with the template. So sometimes we are sending emails like we have a custom HTML, then we are going to use the SMTP. Sometimes we are sending emails with normal text and we can make the template over here. Then we can use the SMTP integration services. So first, let's see how we can send emails with normal SMTP, normal servers, like without the SMTP with the auth key. So as you can see, just the auth key has been pressed, the template ID has been given, the no reply has been given, the variables has been given onto this, and the email will be sent off. Now the second thing is that this is the SMTP one where I am using the node mailer. So in the node mailer, you will get the username and password. You will get the username and password from the section again in the SMTP integration. Okay. Once you get that, you can send email. So let's try with this one. This is a custom HTML, so you do not need to add any template ID onto this. So let's actually go to this section and fire this mail out. I'm using the SMTP one to fire the mail out. You can see the mail has been fired out. So you can see the mail has been received. So there's no reply to the mail and things are there. So it's so simple to use the SMTP on the MSG91. and the most important thing is the free part. I hope this information will be helpful for you to build your own project. If you do like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Please share this video for more users to view it and get help from it. And obviously I'm going to share all the codes on the description. Thank you so much for watching my videos.